Welcome back to part 3. Now I just wanted to let you know I just left the extra hosing just for now. You go ahead and you start priming this, and the fuel will come up here on this line, and you just prime it. Make sure your off switch, this one kills it, this one doesn't, and then it's get to tune it, and then you might have to tune it here. So you have to tune it maybe just a little bit on the throttle, but it might be a little bit temperamental a little bit, but other than that, there really ain't much of other adjustments on here. It really isn't. It's pretty a simple carburetor. Really, I mean, there is this adjustment there, those little plugs to do your high and low. You can see it right there, H and L, but I didn't touch them yet. But just trying to show you how to get it going, get it started, get the fuel in, prime it, and then start adjusting a little bit there. But then you're going to have to do your high and low to get this thing going. So hopefully that helps you out. Don't forget to change out your spark plug. That came with it, already done. And the gasket, and then this is the new filter, and it just sits right on there. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need that to get your soft spark plug off, 532 Philip, a little blade. This really come handy to get the fuel line pulled through the tank once you've seen it through it. And make sure you mix it. This one's a 40-to-1. I mean, the 40-to-1 ratio on the oil mixed with the gas in 1 gallon. And then you got your Philip and the scissors to do the job. All right, hope that helps you out. And I got it running now. I just got to just kind of tweak it a little bit there on the adjustments. And then you guys should be able to just get your high and low in. You're going to have to get that tool. This one, it looks like it's kind of hard to tell in here, but it looks like it might be spline. Because you're going to need to get your tools out to make that adjustment on the spline. So, all right. Hope that will help you out. Thanks.